What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can send a view once photo or one-time photo in WhatsApp. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first, you have to go to on WhatsApp and you have to go to on the person's chat that you want to send the one-time photo. I'm going to do to this person, I'm going to send to this person. Please just make sure you watch the full video and follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So after going to the person's WhatsApp chat, you have to click on camera. Then you have to click the picture that you want to send on one time. I'm going to send this. So after clicking the picture, you have to click on a button called one, just like this in the right corner. You have to tap on this button. If this button is turned on, then your photo will be sent on one time. Then the person can see this picture for one time only. They can't screenshot it, otherwise they can't save it on their mobile phone. They only can view this picture once. So this is how you can send a picture on your WhatsApp by disappearing picture on your WhatsApp. So I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.